Hey Lindley, I am creating a video for you so that you can see how to create a video with that your face shows up on. So here, I'm going to try and do it and we'll see how far we get. So the very first thing you should do is you should go to the website Screencast-O-Matic / and let me see if I can remember what that is, / screen recorder - recorder. Okay, you're going to want to click on the launch free recorder button, and you saw on my Surface Pro, when I did it for the first time, it actually downloads an executable file. You're going to want to select that executable file to run. And when you select that executable file to run, it puts a nice little dashed box up on your screen. And then you're given a couple of options. You can readjust that box. Anything inside this box here is going to be in your video. Anything outside that box won't be in your video. All right, so when you launch that free recorder, it's got a couple of buttons down here at the bottom. It says record, and then it has, you know, your settings wheel, and then it has a cancel button, and it's got a couple of other options. And really all you have to do for these other options is make sure that your screen is selected, not your webcam. You won't need to use your webcam. So if you want your face to appear in these videos, what you can do next is, and I'm going to do this, I'm going to hope that you'll be able to see this. I'm going to make the screen a little bit larger so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to move it up. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Seton email, and I'm going to open up my Google Meet, and I'm going to start a Google meeting. I'm just going to name it test. You can name it whatever you want. Okay, so I'm going to join, and now what you can see is this window here. For my Google Meet, I'm in the window, and I'm also in the video that I'm taping. So once you have this set up and everything's ready to go, you want you have your Google Meet set up, you're videotaping yourself, you can see yourself on your Surface Pro. Then you can go ahead in the little box on the bottom left of the dashed box, you can hit record. All right, so I'm already recording. So once you hit record, you record your message however you want to say it. If you have, if you want to record yourself, you can record yourself like I'm doing, just my head. Just make sure you're looking at the camera and not at yourself on the screen, or else you're looking down and you're not actually looking at the parents who will be viewing this video. Otherwise, if I can go ahead myself, and I'm going to flip back and forth. I can flip back and forth between my whiteboard and my video of myself, so they can see what I'm typing, they can see my face as well. So it's up to you how you want to do it. But when you're done, you're going to hit the pause button. This little record button turns into the pause symbol. You're going to hit the pause button, and then you're going to get a command that says done. So you're going to select done, and then you get a couple of options. You want to pick the save / upload option. And when you select the save / upload option, you can actually hit the play button to see what you've recorded, and if you like it. If you don't like it, you can cancel and you can trash your video. But if you do like it after you play it, there are a couple of options you can select, and one of them is YouTube. Okay, when you select YouTube, you have to have a YouTube account. So make sure that you go up on YouTube and create a YouTube account where you can go ahead and store your video. Okay, so give that a shot and see if you can do it. If you can't, well, oh, sorry, you're looking at the ceiling because I didn't transfer back. If you can't, you have any other questions, you can give me a call. My number is 252-8616. That's my cell phone. Or Mike can help you tomorrow. It's up to you. But I thought this would be a fun little video to give you some instructions on how to do this. Bye.